Hello, hello. It's another episode of our video again. Before we start, give it the place where I work in Cayman. Actually, I know I said this before in my previous video, but this is the company I work in Cayman Island. Actually, the Wyndham Resort, and hopefully soon the papers will be okay. Then I'll back in business again. But this bar, this is the resort which I used to work. If you go there and I was there, you can go in that resort and I'm in the bar at all time. Of course, I have a day off also. But hopefully soon, I'll give you some more tips. Well, the drinks that I can make today is a Tom Collins actually. This drink, it was created by the American name Jerry Thomas actually in 1876. That was a long time ago. He's the father of the mixology in the US actually. That was long time ago. But the ingredients is gonna be gin. So, and then instead of club soda, actually, I always be creative with something else. So I gonna use this Sprite actually instead of club soda. But talking about the club soda, if you're a bartender now here, or if you're here in the Philippines now working in the bar or a server, I have tips for you guys. If you go in abroad, especially to the US, maybe close to the US, there's another call about the club soda actually. It's a seltzer. So that's the other term of the club soda. So that's it. I have the sparkling water also, the Perrier. I can use the Perrier in this. The club soda that's the original recipe actually, but I use the Sprite because it has already sugar in it. It's sweet already. So I have the lime mix also. But the original recipe is lemon juice and the sugar syrup. So that's about the same actually. I just mix it already, so it's like more easy. All right. And then I got the maraschino cherry as a garnish, and then the lemon. So it's still young actually. I just harvested from my backyard. So this is my lemon in my backyard. So it almost looks like lime, right? Because it's still green, right? So, and then the Collins glass. So that's why they call it Tom Collins, because of the Collins glass also. Let me get some ice. So what, this scoop of ice again. The drinks actually is really tricky, except those hot drinks in the bar. So the ice is giving you more flavor and more taste. If the drinks that without ice, except those drinks that's what I'm saying, that without ice, and that's gonna be different than the drinks that has ice, because the ice is give you more flavor and more tastes, and the more the ice is gonna be like melting, the drink is gonna be like more taste, you know. So that's the tricky stuff in the bar. So gin, that was like 1.5 ounce or 1.5 jigger of the gin. But that's what I'm saying, is like if you work in the bar, it depends what standard you're using for. So somehow it's like you end up like 2 ounces. So there's 1.5 ounce, and that's what I'm saying, is like sometimes like you have like 2 ounces in the bar that will give you those like green lights, you know, to use. So Sprite, instead of club soda, I use the Sprite. And the lime mix. So here we go, and you can stir it. So this drink is just built, stirred, not shaken. All right. So this is Tom Collins. Set the first. So now our garnish. So See, look at this lemon still. Like a little bit, maybe another 10 days more. I harvested young. It's really, it smells good anyway. Smells really good. And the Maraschino cherry. Here we go. This is your Tom Collins. Double straw. Yeah. So before we end up again in our video today, please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology, and then my Instagram, Naked Mixology, and then my Facebook page also, The Naked Mixology. And again, remember this, the Wyndham Rip Resort. That's gonna be in Grand Cayman. The start already, the open already right now. Most of the staff actually is already working there. It's not right now, it's not still really busy because of this pandemic, but hopefully soon it's gonna be busy and this pandemic gonna end up and we can go back in business and make more fun, make more drinks and enjoy. And thank you so much.